Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a refresh on my master bathroom, and this is the before. And so what I'll be doing is repainting the walls because they have the paint is coming off, so I'm gonna redo the paint, but I'll be using the same color. I got a new circular shower curtain. I'm gonna be installing that. I'm just gonna wash this shower curtain rod. I'm just gonna wash this shower curtain, change out the toilet seat. I got some new rugs, and I'm gonna be removing this contact paper, and I'm going to be giving the vanity a little facelift. I'm gonna clean all this off, and I got some new bathroom accessories, and I'm gonna remove this towel ring. So that's what I'll be doing this video. If you want to see my budget friendly makeover, stay tuned. See, this is why I need to repaint. Well, I gotta wipe the walls down and mainly just repaint over the tub area. See where some of the paint has come off where I had that rod. And yeah. So that's what I'm gonna be doing now. So I have given the bathroom a fresh coat of paint. I went ahead and used the same paint because that's the paint I already had. So you know this is a budget friendly channel, so we try to use items we already have. And this is my circular shower curtain rod, and I love it. I saw someone on YouTube do this, and so I ordered me one from Amazon because the ones at Lowe's were just a little bit too expensive. So I'll have it linked in my Amazon store if you're interested. And what this does is give you an illusion of a larger shower area. And it really does work. My husband is very impressed with the amount of room we have in the shower now. And I also picked up this shower curtain caddy from TJ Maxx. I used a gift card that one of my beautiful supporters sent me. So as stated earlier in the video, I ended up buying another shower curtain. My husband thought we should get a new shower curtain. And this is the one I picked up from TJ Maxx. I love it because it has a lot of texture in it. And yeah, I picked that up from TJ Maxx. And I love it. So this is the new shower curtain, and I'm going to repurpose these shower rings that came from the other bathroom. And now I'm just going to clean the vanity. And I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee. As stated, my channel is called Saving with Mrs Vee. I focus on all aspects of life as far as saving money. It's not about being cheap or not treating yourself. It's just about being smart with your money. And I'm also sharing my debt-free journey here on this channel. If that's something you're interested in, go ahead and tap that pink icon at the bottom of the video and tap that notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload videos. So on my channel, I don't mind doing projects myself to save money, especially during the pandemic, because it's so hard to get a contractor or a carpenter to do things for you. And I just feel more comfortable doing them myself because I really don't like different people in my house. So yeah, that's what I like to share on my channel to motivate you guys. So I'm going to use this glass cleaner to clean the faucet. I originally had bought another faucet, but we weren't able to change it out. And so I just went ahead and returned that to the store. So this faucet is fine. I just wanted to kind of update it. But that was some money saved. So I picked up these clear glass bathroom accessories from Ross. And I just wanted to purchase some new items because now that we're out of debt, we're able to purchase some of the items that I feel like I always wanted. even though these items are only $8.99 and $6.99, but you know, of course, we had to prioritize because I had a lot of credit cards to pay off. Yeah. So after removing the contact paper, it did not leave any sticky films. The floor is fine. If you want to see my 6-month review on the contact paper, I'll link that video in the description box. So having the marble contact paper did several things for me. It let me know if and when I ever build a house or buy another house, I would love the look of the marble on the floor because I had it on there for about a year. So it's great for people who rent or people who are like me, do not want to make any permanent changes but do want a new look. So yeah, it was great. I'm glad I saw that idea on YouTube. It's a young lady channel that I watch. She is her channel mainly focuses on people who rent or do not want to make permanent changes, and I'll link her channel also. So yeah, I'm really pleased with the contact paper that I had for about a year and a half. Yes. So now I'm giving my bathroom a refresh. So I want to go ahead and thank you guys for watching this video, especially if you watch it to the end. And this is Miss V. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm gonna always help you save on some of the things you need to get some of the things you want. So I picked up this rug set a while ago from Aldi's, and I think it was like $12 for a set of 2. Yeah, so the bathroom, it matches my bedroom. And I also picked up these white washcloths. I'm transitioning to all white washcloths and all white towels because I want that hotel feel. I really feel cleaner when I use white washcloths and white towels. So I went ahead and picked up these white washcloths. I haven't picked up any white towels yet, but that'll be next. So if you're looking for a candle that has a lot of throw and it's very budget friendly, $3.99 at Aldi's, pick up this lemon, thyme, and sage. Yes, this is by far one of the best candles that I have bought from the Huntington collection. So yeah, so this is my vanity now. I decluttered it. I hung my picture back up. So yeah, I just made some simple budget friendly changes just to refresh the bathroom. So I repainted. I gave the paint a refresh. I changed out the toilet seat. I bought a new shower curtain. I repurposed the shower rings, and I picked up some new towels and some new bathroom accessories. So this and some new rugs. So this refresh was under, I would say, $75 because I already had the paint. Yeah, the towels, rug. Yeah, I would say under $75. So this is a budget friendly way just to refresh your bathroom. So yeah, so I use white washcloths, and I'm going to transition to white bath towels. And I still have this little shelf that I picked up from Aldi's a while back. You're supposed to hang it on the wall right there to the right, the one that has my towels, but I just went ahead and placed it on the floor. So yeah, so this is my vanity area. I'm gonna try to keep it like this. I have to get a container to put my husband's mouthwash in. And I was on a lookout for a clear garbage can, but I wasn't able to find one, so I went ahead and put the one back that I had. So yeah, this is my refreshed bathroom, and I really like the way it looks. Really fresh and clean. So yeah, I picked this picture up at the thrift store. And this is the light fixture that came from Lowe's. This is a beautiful shower curtain. Look at the texture.